We're now going to see the unboxing of a product known as iScribe. It is coming in a good cardboard box where there is an iScribe logo and iScribe already written over here. We just open up the cardboard box and we see the product being kept on a plastic mold, very neatly packed. And we have many components in this. We'll see the first one. There is a user manual which is coming along with that, and which says where to download the software, as well as it also tells various utilities how to use the product. And there is an electromagnetic pad which comes along with a clip where you're supposed to see the paper. You can keep the paper and write. And then it comes with the USB cable, which is to be connected between the device and the PC. And it is also coming along with a pen. This is a pen on which it has to be used. And the pen, like a normal pen. And when we open it up, we see over here there is a refill. The refill looks like a normal refill. And they have given the extra refills also along with this product. There are a few extra refills. And there are also some extractor they have kept to remove the refill. Let me see how the extractor works like. There is an extractor, and which can be kept on the refill and supposed to be pulled out like this. And refill is removed. And then once again, I can take a new refill if it is required to be, and then change the refill over here. Yes, and then cap is closed. So the product consists of what all? The product is a pad, the USB cable, the pen, and the refill, extra refills, and an extractor it comes with.